Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic API and integration in task. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So API and integration. So Bitrix24 REST API is open for task, work group, project, data storage, calendar, and other parts of the product, allowing you to benefit from product customization and feature enhancement. You can search here the developer resource, and in the developer resource you get all the request builder. You can import export the data, custom widgets. You can automate the task. You can request the builder inside Bitrix24. You will find a handy request builder which you can use to create REST API request directly from the interface. You can use REST API method to simplify the migration of large volume of data from to your Bitrix24. Using Bitrix24 REST API integration, you can realize custom task automation scenarios that are not available through our standard rules and triggers. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.